Congratulations on taking the first step to learning how to make money using ChatGPT. So in this video, we're talking about what ChatGPT is and how to navigate through it, the very basics of it. So ChatGPT, as you probably have heard, is an AI that was developed by OpenAI. And we have the ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4, and all these ones are powerful tools that uses natural language processing to make conversations and to come up with things. People believe that it may take over human intelligence, but that's a debate for another day. And one thing you must understand is that ChatGPT is actually a tool to help us become faster and more efficient. And being a powerful tool, we are going to learn how to make money with it. So to start off, you go to their website chat.openai.com and you'll be brought to this page. So when you come, if you don't have an account yet, just click on sign up and you'll be required to log in using your email. You can use your Google account or Microsoft account to log in directly. You'll be required to enter your phone number and some other details. You can use your phone number as many times as you can. So I'm going to log in already since I have a Google account. Sorry, a ChatGPT account. So when you open it, this is the interface that you are going to be working with. So it's a very simplified interface. We have the charts here, those that you've already had already. So we have them over here. We have a new chat. If you want to start a new chat, just like WhatsApp, you have your chat to your friends, different friends, how they are, how each chat has its flow and its pattern. The same way they are categorized here. So we have what I've been using it for. So you can see that I've actually used it for a whole lot, and I'll be teaching you these. And with this, we have the typing box here. This is where everything is going to take place. So for a basic thing that we are going to type, we are going to ask ChatGPT to suggest business name for a business idea I'm going to give it. So suggest a name for a business involving selling food to students. So with it gives a name like campus threads. So that's a good name. If you want to ask it to rewrite it, we have something that is up here. You can always use this. So you can go to clarify, exemplify, and others. But I'm going to ask it to actually add more. So more ideas, campus styles, campus culture, and a whole lot. So these are things that it's able to do very easily. So I'm going to ask it, how do I start it? So starting selling business. So define your target market. So in this place, you are going to talk about whether you are going to be selling to males, you are going to be selling to females, you are going to be selling to slave queens, you are going to be selling to those who have high authority and all that. So you define your market, you do your research, you develop a business plan and all that. So with all these, I'm not going to waste much time on it, but this is actually a way you can even generate business ideas first of all and how to expand them. So if you even want to come out with a business idea for you, it's going to actually do that. So let's take that for example. So it comes here, executive summary, market analysis. So it teaches you all these things. So you can just provide with little information and it's going to help you. So ChatGPT, it's very powerful, and one advantage of it is that it's able to actually go back to conversations you had earlier on that same chat. So it can always recall conversations and do a whole lot. So it's as basic as that. It's just knowing how to navigate through it, and we are going to go this into details in the various courses that are coming up. So just stay tuned for that.